Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Bella and today I am making this gorgeous iced coffee candle. It looks so real, people will think you poured yourself a drink. It smells like cafe and could easily become a bestseller if you're looking to start a small handmade business. Before we start pouring wax, let's quickly go over the essentials and an important tip for anyone dreaming of turning candles into income. Here's what you need: soy wax flakes, coffee scented fragrance oil, brown candle dye, wicks, a thermometer, wax melting machine, a glass jar, and gel wax. I have linked all these essentials in the description box below if you would like to grab them yourself. Now let's start by melting our gel wax. I have been using this wax melting machine for months and it's been working perfectly. Gel wax usually melts faster than soy wax, which is great for quick projects. While the wax is melting, let me tell you something really important for anyone who wants to start an online store: a domain name. In simple words, a domain name is your store's address on the internet, like your shop name .store. Having your own domain makes your brand look professional, trustworthy, and easy to find. I am on .store right now. Searching for some aesthetic ideas, look, latteglow.store is available. See how short and memorable this is. And imagine handing out a business card or posting on Instagram. People instantly know you're a shop just by .store ending. Buying one is super simple. Search, click, and subscribe. In under a minute, you have secured your shop's online identity. You can even link your domain to Etsy or Instagram while you are small and switch to Shopify or Amazon Handmade later. And a polished domain is a game changer. When pitching to cafes, boutiques, they'll take you more seriously. And here's a bonus you'll actually use. When you grab a .store domain, you also get free access to Elevate.store plus a creator's toolkit built specifically for small business owners like us. It's packed with real tools and deals on things you'll need like Canva, Shopify, AutoDS, and more, all designed to help you launch and grow your handmade brand. So if you're ready to turn your passion into profit, head to www.get.store and use my code BELLASTORE to grab your .store domain for just 99 cents. Okay, now that our gel wax is fully melted, I am going to pour it into this bowl so it can cool down. Once it's a bit firm, we'll cut it into small cube shapes. These will be our ice cubes for the candle. Now it's time to melt our main wax. You can use soy wax or beeswax, but I personally prefer soy wax because it gives a cleaner and professional finish. While that's melting, I'll just clean my glass jar to make sure there's no dust or fingerprints inside. It really helps the candle look neat and clean once it's done. Our gel wax has cooled down nicely, so now I'm cutting it into little cubes. Make sure it's not too soft when cutting, otherwise the edges will turn uneven or sticky. I'm placing these ice cubes along the sides of jar, pressing them gently so they stick to the glass. That way they'll stay visible once we pour the wax in. Now for the fun part. The wax has melted, so I am adding my coffee fragrance oil. It literally smells like freshly brewed latte. First, I'll pour the white wax just about half of the jar and let it set slightly. Once it thickens a bit, I'll pour a brown wax on top and gently swirl them together using a stick. Now I am adding few more gel wax ice cubes on top for that realistic iced coffee vibe. It looks so aesthetic, like an actual cafe drink. Oh, did you notice a small mistake? I actually forgot to add the wick in the beginning. It happens when you're too focused on details, right? But that's fine. The wax wasn't completely hardened yet, so I was able to fix it by inserting the wick in the center while it was still setting. So don't panic if that happens to you. Candle making is all about experimenting and learning. To finish it off, I am sprinkling a little bit of dark brown crushed wax on top. It gives the look of chocolate flakes or coffee powder and it ties the whole theme together. Now let's just let the candle harden completely. Once it's set, trim the wick to about a quarter inch. I always recommend letting your candle cure for at least 24 to 48 hours before lighting it. That's when the scent really develops and gives you the perfect throw. And that's it, our iced coffee candle is done. It smells amazing and looks so realistic that you'll want to grab a straw instead of a lighter. Okay, so our iced coffee candle is all done. It looks super cute, right? But here's the best part. You can actually sell these and turn this little hobby into real side income. Let's talk about potential for a second. On average, making one candle like this costs around $5 to $10, depending on the materials you use. And if you check Amazon Handmade, you'll see that similar iced coffee candles are selling anywhere between $22 to $30 each. So even if you sell just like 100 candles a month, that's roughly $2,000 to $5,000 in profit, which is honestly amazing for something you can make from home. Once you are in, focus on your product photos. Make them bright, cozy, and lifestyle inspired. Think coffee beans, straws, a cozy corner, maybe even a cup of real coffee beside your candle. For your product title, go for something catchy and descriptive like handmade pure iced coffee candle, realistic barista style, soya wax. When setting your price, just remember to include Amazon's 15% referral fee and your shipping cost so you don't lose margin. You can start by fulfilling orders yourself from home, and once sales grow, you can switch to FBA to make things easier. So yeah, what started as a cozy DIY candle can actually turn into a cute little business that makes you real income every month. If you really want to boost your sales, start posting short reels or TikTok of your pouring and swirling process. They are super satisfying to watch and can easily go viral. You can also offer a small bundles like pairing your candle with coffee beans or a cute mug, perfect for gifts. And that's it. Our iced coffee candle is ready. Super simple to make and it looks so pretty, right? You can totally try this at home. And if you're thinking about turning it into real business, don't forget to grab your domain using the link below before your perfect name disappears. Thank you so much for crafting with me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!